Hey guys, my name is Iskandar. Welcome to my channel, and today's video will be about how to create the HTML file and where to edit the code. As you guys may know, last few weeks I have been working to learn how to code, and I discovered while I was learning coding I didn't know where to start and how to create the HTML file. So I started to do research, and after finding the search, finally I learned how to do that. I decided to share with you guys simple way how to really make the HTML file and what's the best in my opinion to create the HTML file and work to edit your code. Here's I'm gonna show you guys how I did. Actually, a code could be edited and saved as HTML file using a notepad, usually on this one, and it's very easy, but this is way I found it much easier for me. You go to, I already typed here, you go to Google, type Atom Code Editor, this is the file, go into the website and download it. Download it and save it into your place where you want to save. This is already, I have downloaded and I saved. So you save it and then follow the instruction. Basically right click, run as an administration, and follow the instruction to set this up. I have already set it up and I will show you guys after it is done. So this is first thing you see when you open the Atom Code Editor, and welcome. You can, if you want, you can read it. If there is a guide, you can read and find out more how this works, which is really awesome. You can see there are many functions, which is really good, and you can use that. You can read to understand. And here you can see your project, which I'm working on. But for our purpose, we will look. Yes, we create a new file. Go to File, create a new file. You have it here. As you see, there is nothing saved currently. It says untitled. We're gonna save the file. You can say save from here, like save, and then go. Or as you see, Control S is a shortcut. Control S, and then goes to save. So I'm gonna save into my folder. While you're saving, save it as a index.html. As you guys know, I told you guys like extension for HTML file is .html. So I'm creating that file. So I would literally type index.html and save. So as you see, now I have the file itself, but it's empty. And let's try now how this works. This is a test. So after you type your code, what I like about this Atom Code Editor, when you start typing some kind of code, as you see, it gives you immediately options of what you're trying to type, really. So you could actually pick in anything you want. It's already ready. You don't have to type. In many cases it comes handy, so you just have it, click tab, and you just take the whatever you wanted to type, which is really awesome. Like you see, I wanted to type var, it shows already var is there, and then I just take it, that option, and as you see, it gives me the open and close tag for this specifically. This is great, and there are more options. I'm sure I didn't fully discover yet, but I found this very user-friendly interface. And let's check our new created HTML file. I would say save, and then go to the folder, and this is my file I created. Go to run, open with Google. Boom. You see? This is new HTML file test. What's great about this, I found you have the file open, and you make the changes. Test completed, and then Ctrl S, and literally you can have the browser open and then refresh it. It immediately shows it. Test completed. This was my quick video for you guys to show you guys how I did, and so far I am happy using Atom Code Editor. I wish you guys all the best. See you guys next time.